Hey, it's me, Martin, and in this video I will share 5 tips and tricks for the Mi Band 6. And stick around till the end of the video because I've got 2 and I'll be giving away 1, so let's get started. I've been using the Mi Band 6 for a couple of weeks, so here we go with number 1. Custom vibration settings. To me it's pretty difficult to distinguish the different default vibrations. For example, with your alarm in the morning, it shocks me like crazy and I would rather pick something more calm. Luckily, you can modify it easily. From the 𝗦𝗵𝐺 app, go to your profile, then select your Mi Band 6 and tap on vibration. Select, for example, incoming calls and tap on add. Now tap hold or pause the phone its screen to add a new vibration method. Automatic workout detection. I've been working from home for a really long time right now, and in order to combat my weight gain, I try to walk relatively quickly, around 15 to 20 minutes in my lunch break. Because I'm quite often in a rush to start, because my break is only 30 minutes, I love the fact that the Mi Band 6 can automatically remind you to start the workout. It is not turned on by default, so grab your Mi Band 6, swipe down, tap settings and scroll down to detect activity and select which activity you want to detect. Even though the Mi Band 6 has many sport modes, it is limited to the amount that you can select, only 5, namely outdoor run, walking, cycling, elliptical and rowing. Smart D&D. I have a pretty irregular schedule, so setting the do not disturb period from 10 to 7 in the morning doesn't always work for me. Therefore, the Smart D&D comes in pretty handy and works like a charm. It is also not turned on by default, so grab your Mi Band 6 again, swipe down, tap on settings, then D&D and select auto turn on. So okay, this is relatively known, but what I really like is that in case you take the band off, rather than sleeping with it, the Mi Band 6 also recognizes that and stops vibrating when notifications come in. But more importantly, it also stops monitoring your heart rate. So it stops flashing the dark room with green light, and on top of that, it also recognizes daytime naps. Thank you, Xiaomi. Screen wake up. Even though the Smart D&D works like a charm, if you hit it by accident, it will still light up the display even when D&D is enabled. But luckily, we can solve this issue. Grab your Mi Band 6, swipe down, tap on settings and go to screen wake up. Now here you can change it from tapping to swiping, which is minimizing the risk that you are blinded by light in the middle of the night when you touch it accidentally, because right now you have to swipe up. Shortcut and workout settings. This might be an obvious one, but we all like our watch to be personalized, and the way you organize it is up to you, but I like it, for example, when my notifications are displayed right away next to my clock. To do so, go to the 𝗦𝗵𝐺 app, select your profile, then your Mi Band 6 and tap on band settings. Now here you can add your favorite apps, which is for me the notifications shortcut. It is pretty similar to the sport modes. You might not do yoga, so it's better to get it off the list so you can select your sport mode quicker. To do so, tap on workout settings and remove or add the sport you like to do, and then you're ready and good to go. Alright, there you have it, my top 5 tips and tricks for your Mi Band 6. What is your favorite feature of the Mi Band 6? It could be, of course, something completely different than I shared with you here in this video. But the thing is, I've got 2. One brand new one that I will be giving away to a random winner. So go to the comment section and let us know your favorite feature. And don't forget to use the hashtag Mi Band 6. After 2 weeks of posting this video, I will randomly select a winner and ship the prize myself to you, no matter where you live around the globe. Best of luck. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, please give it a like and subscribe in case you haven't already. And if you have some comments or questions, drop them down below because I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see all of you in the next one.